welcome to Cooking with Brashley.
Hey guys.
We're doing a weekend brunch edition here.
Brunch.
And we're going to be doing some sweet potato pancakes.
Yes. So pumped for that.
I wasn't prepared for that.
Okay.
Wasn't thinking.
We're going to learn a couple things today, guys. We're going to learn how you can lower the glycemic index of a sweet potato just by cooking. We're going to learn the difference between maple syrup, which this is like crack, okay? And we're gonna learn why we're using almond flour and sweet potato to do pancakes instead of that crappy Bach version. Okay, so Ash, how do we start this?
So let me tell you, the reason we're doing sweet potato pancakes is I've been craving like some sort of breakfast carb for a bit, whether that be waffles or pancakes. I wanted to do waffles, I wasn't allowed to buy a waffle maker.
No, well, it's $50. I don't spend that kind of money.
So we're gonna just do the pancakes.
We live in a condo. It's where are we gonna put it? Nowhere.
So this is like a super simple recipe. We've already pre-roasted our sweet potato and mashed it.
Well, we boiled our mashed potato, but we'll get into that later.
Yeah.
But first, guys, remember, if you like what we're doing here, make sure to subscribe where? Down here, okay? Subscribe, there's great recipes. And yeah, we appreciate comments too. Okay, so where do we start?
Okay, let me finish.
Oh shit, no, get it started, man.
Okay, so again, like I said, it's a simple, super easy
Recipe.
Like I said before, it's a super simple recipe. We're using only a couple ingredients. So we've got 2 eggs, our pre-mashed sweet potato, almond flour, not coconut flour, almond flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and we've added some hemp hearts and chia seeds.
Yum.
So all we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna beat these eggs. I'm gonna crack them and I'm gonna beat them.
Beat them, baby, let's go. Come on, here we go. Okay, so she's gonna beat those eggs. And those are obviously pasture-raised eggs, right?
Yes.
Good stuff, don't buy the crappy eggs. Okay, and I'm gonna talk about this sweet potato here, okay? So the reason we boiled this sweet potato, so just by boiling a sweet potato, so peeling and then boiling, you can actually reduce the glycemic index of the potato. So as opposed to baking in the oven, whereas you might have a GI of 85, boiling it actually brings it down to maybe about a 50. So if you're worried about how your body's gonna react or about those sugars, you can actually boil the potato instead of baking. But
I got a little too excited and hangry, so I put it in the oven.
and she put it in the oven, so. But still good either way, guys.
So we beat the eggs, and now literally all we're going to do is just combine all the ingredients to make a batter the way you would do a regular pancake.
Want a little there?
No.
Okay. No lick for you. So she's added some hemp hearts and chia seeds, right? And that's just because we want an extra anti-inflammatory kind of aspect to our pancakes here. Baking powder has gone in. Our almond flour, cinnamon. Remember, we always use cinnamon when we're eating anything sweet. We use the cinnamon so we can slow that release of gluten.
These smell delicious!
Oh my god, yeah, that looks amazing. Keep her going. Keep beating.
I'm beating.
Keep faster. Keep go. So remember, yeah, we want to use that cinnamon so we slow that release of glucose because we want we want our maple syrup today. Okay, so I'm going to put that away.
Okay, so our batter is finished.
I'm going to get the oven on here, hon.
So our batter's finished. So we're going to get it in. We're going to stop right now, and then Brad's going to show you a trick on how to get a perfect pancake.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we have our batter all mixed up, and our little trick is we've taken a little Ziploc bag and we've emptied it into one corner, and we've snipped the top off, kind of just like a cake decorator, so you can kind of pipe it into the pan. Now we have the butter that's heated up on our pan here. I'm gonna bring the pan over here. Savannah. Okay? So we're gonna...
Hot pan coming through.
We got the butter all heated up here, okay?
Let's go.
Oh, wow.
Go.
Okay? And I'm just gonna take this now. Okay? Nice, just like so. Okay, that's kind of crappy. It's kind of hard to... Here we go. Oh my god. What am I doing, Ashley?
You're making pancakes.
I'm making pancakes. I guess it's not pretty. It's really, really hard to do this with the camera here, but okay. We can just add on to them just like so. Oh my god. This is really hard. to do while filming.
It's not to be pretty, people.
Well,
we don't cook.
If you want, you can just shove right in your mouth. Just like that. So we're gonna want to take these pancakes out and cook them for about 4 minutes aside, guys. They're going to be a little bit denser, a little bit more time than a regular pancake, but it's going to pay off in the end. So we'll see you back when they're all finished.
I might be dead.
Bye. So because Ashley just smashed that in my face, she has agreed to try and do the cinnamon challenge. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, it's impossible to swallow a tablespoon or teaspoon of cinnamon. We're just gonna let Ashley.
So all I'm doing is just attempting to swallow.
Yeah, go.
That's a lot.
Okay, I'll give you a little less. Let's see what you can do with this. Go all the way. Put it in. Come on. Try and swallow. And she failed. Okay, coming right back. You guys. Welcome back. Ashley is fine and well. So,
am I?
Yeah, you're good. Okay, so our pancakes are done. Now, just a little tip: when you are cooking them, okay, so about 4 minutes aside, you can see when they're starting to get done. But be careful when you're flipping them, okay? Because they're not like regular pancakes. They sometimes might try and fall apart on you, okay? But they've come apart, or they've come out great. Okay, something like this. They're a little bit thicker. And for our toppings, we want to use this beautiful maple syrup. Now, I'm going to talk to you the difference about the maple syrup. We talked to the guy at the market today. Now, there's two types basically in Canada. You have the lighter version, right, that's harvested, excuse you.
It's cinnamony.
Yeah, it's harvested very early in the season, okay, so it's got less vitamins and minerals. Whereas opposed to the darker syrup, just like so, it's a little less sweet and it's got way more minerals in it, is what he said. So I would definitely go with the darker stuff, and definitely with pure maple syrup. Don't go with that crappy Aunt Jemima stuff that's full of other crap. This is just one ingredient, okay? So we're gonna put this on.
I'll do it.
Okay, Ash is gonna do it. And while Ash puts the syrup on, now remember, I don't think she's gonna want the cinnamon on.
No.
Okay, so we're not gonna put the cinnamon on right now, maybe just a little bit, okay? We're gonna put a dab of cinnamon just like so, okay? And that's gonna slow the release of that cinnamon or the syrup turning to glucose in our bodies, okay? Just another little trick you can use.
I can't even speak. Another thing that you can put on, which I'm not because we've used butter in the pan, but you can put butter on pancakes, on these pancakes, and the maple syrup.
Oh, beautiful, nice little grass-fed butter, yeah. Babe, I love you. Thank you for doing this.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming up with this recipe. I love you.
I'll get him later.
Okay, guys, again, remember, subscribe, leave us a comment. We appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, and later.
Bye.
Orf dorf.